up, everyone? Freaky cold out today. It was like 26 degrees here this morning. So I've had to butcher some rabbits, and I cleaned up all the trees I took down yesterday, all except for that last one. I moved it, stirred up the freaking yellow jackets, so that's not gonna, I'm not going over there for a while. Anyways, I got like an hour and a half before, you know, it's darkest, or getting, the sun will be down past the mountain out there. So I'm just gonna finish off the day with a load of firewood. Gonna cut this guy up on the ground right here first. I was trying to push some stuff forward with the skid steer, and I knocked this fuse off. So we're gonna go right on. Unfortunately, I gotta bend over to cut it, or whatever. You pick up what I'm throwing down. So I've got the Holtzforma 660 fueled up, oiled up. I have a full tank of fuel, and I only have probably another half a tank of gas left for it, and I'm out of mixed gas. I have to go get some. But yeah, let's get this shit on the road. Get the sawdust flying. Hopefully this doesn't try to get me. Okay, here we go. Oi. Well, should work. Nice. All right.
Coffee's on before the sun, frost hanging in the air, that old still fire's up, sawdust everywhere. Oaken chairs stacked up high, maple waiting by the shed. Got a RuggedMade splitter humming, that's my daily bread. I'm splitting for tomorrow, living like the old days, sweating with smoke mixing in 100 different ways. Boiling down that maple syrup running slow. In a world gone crazy, I'll take the life I know. Steal the sap and the smell of pine, Hands are rough, but the heart feels fine. Winter's coming, sure sin. Stack it tight, don't let that cold wind in. I'm splitting for tomorrow, living like the old days. Sweating wood smoke mixing in 100 different ways. Boiling down that maple syrup running slow. In a world gone crazy, I'll take the life I know. They chase strings and silver lights, I'll take sparks under mountain skies. Prepper heart, farmer soul, the wooden wheel can still make gold. Chair lost, crack and pop, flames got that glow. Maple syrup on the stove, sweeten up the snow. The RuggedMade still thumping, steady through the night. I got peace in my hands and a fire burning bright. Yeah, I'm splitting for tomorrow in the old Appalachian way. Style holds a two while I earn my pay.
All right, we're loaded for bear. We'll go over and stack. We'll see where we are. Got another load or call it a day, I don't know. Shadows are getting long today. Alright, well, the area that I'm stacking wood is full, so I need to make another setup. So I usually put pallets on the ground, and I put pallets up against the tree. Kind of like how that thing is set up right there, but that little scraggly tree, I want it out of there actually. So I want to redo that whole section. Right there's freaking yellow jackets, gotta watch them. So I want to redo that. I want to cut that little tree down, and then get that area right there ready to stack wood in. So, but what we're going to do right now to end the day off is we're going to run up there to that log that I took down that's laying in the bees. So I'm going to measure off 2 11-footers and then try to cut them without getting stung, and then call it a day. Alright, here we go. So you guys watch right out there for me, alright? Right at the base of that tree, right there, and right where that kind of crook is in this fallen tree. That's where those bees, I see them flying right there. I don't think you guys can see them. Let me see. Can you see them? You watch those bees and you yell. Damn it. Let me know if they're coming after me. Wind's blowing right in the face. Maybe they won't smell me. Alright, so we're going for 11 feet. 9, 10. Right there. That's going to piss them off. That's 22 feet. Let me know, okay? Freaking tap me on the shoulder, something. I do not want stung. leaking. All right. Oh, I'll have to get the skid steer. They seem to both be good. So I got that dude right there, which I don't know if it's any good. You can see the red rod in that thing. So, but I got 3 logs here. It's good at the other end. So, all right. That's a wrap, people.